On this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to make awesome, super high quality t-shirts by yourself and save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So I've been buying these cool t-shirts off of a very popular website, and these cost me somewhere around 60 or 70 bucks or so. If you want to do the backside as well, that's over $100. I really like the quality of these quick dry t-shirts, but it kind of gets expensive when you have 5 or 10 guys on the crew. So this is what I've come up with. I bought 2 of these machines. The first one is Cricut printer that basically cuts the shape of your print. And then the second thing that I bought is this thermopress. So basically it heats up to a very high temperature. It has all the safety padding and everything, but then it transfers that print onto your awesome t-shirt. And the most exciting part of it all is that it's so satisfying to work with. Such a cool and creative process of weeding out all the parts that you don't want to be printed on the t-shirts. It's just so relaxing. And stay tuned to this video. I'm going to show you all the parts of the process. Let's get started. As you can see, these are all the t-shirts that I bought. All of them are quick dry t-shirts. Very nice, very cool t-shirts. Really nice to touch and quick dry, which I really love about them. And you can get these on Amazon for a really good price. I believe these 3 or 4 or 5 were like 20 bucks or 30 bucks altogether. So it comes to somewhere around 5 to 7 bucks per t-shirt, which is really, really good value for its quality. And look at these. I have really cool colors here. All right, so on the video, I'm going to do this one. And the color of the print is going to be gold. I really like the combination. So let's get started. This printer comes with its own software, which is very easy to use. You just launch the software, connect the printer, and you're pretty much ready to go. Then you write something, whatever you want to print, or you upload some sort of a picture, whatever you want to transfer onto the t-shirt. Then you delete the background, which you can definitely do with this software here. Very easy to use. And then you print it and you transfer it onto this sticky surface, which has all the lining on it. It has centimeters, imperial, both imperial and metric. You can drag and drop whatever you want onto the canvas and then delete the background. It's super easy to do using software. So I'm going to print my logo, the logo of the company. It's going to be fairly simple. I'll go up to 30 centimeters, slightly less than it. I press make it, and then I also have to press this button mirror, which is going to reverse my image so it can get transferred properly. Okay, then I centered it and I'm ready to press continue. What I'm going to do next is I'll cut a little bit of this vinyl sheet for heat transfer and I'm going to apply it onto this sticky board that I'm going to insert into the printer. Now I'm ready to apply this vinyl sheet onto my sticky board, and I'm going to do that with a glossy surface down. So this is going to be my finished surface, my face side. So I'm going to have to make sure that this goes down. This is it. We're ready to cut. And we're going to make sure that we choose the right type of material. So basically there's a few settings. Basically, if you use something harder, like a higher density materials like cardboard, then the blade is going to go a little deeper to get through that cardboard. If you use some thin paper or whatever, then you're going to have to go lighter. But basically, this printer knows everything what to do. You just have to choose the right material. So in this case, I pressed my iron-on material, which is going to set the depth of the blade position. And now we're going to let the printer do its thing. Into the most enjoyable part of the process, the most satisfying one, which is weeding out the parts that we do not want to be transferred. Now I'm gonna set up the heat transfer machine, heat it up, and we're ready to print. Now we're gonna wait for the machine to heat up all the way up to 155 degrees Celsius, and then once it's ready, we're going to be able to print. While the heat press is getting ready, here's a quick thing for you guys. You can get this sample pack of, I don't know, 20 different colors, and you can try them all on. You can really pick and choose whichever you like. As you can probably see, I already used up the ones that I liked. Those ones were silver, gold, white, and black. There's none of them left, but you can use all of these on anything you want. You can actually print on mugs, hats, sweatshirts, hoodies, anything you can possibly imagine. These ones last for a very long time and they look cool, and you can really get creative with these. The heat press is ready. Let's do it. I'm gonna do it first on the front side. This is a safety sheet, so our material or plastic doesn't stick to the hot surface of the press. Now I'm gonna press and hold for 15 seconds. Now I'm gonna let it cool off for about 10 seconds or so. We don't wanna wait too long, but if we remove it right away, we might damage the vinyl sheet because it's still soft. And I think now we're pretty much ready. Alrighty. Look at that beauty. So it's cool enough to remove. Look at that. There we go. So here's the difference, right? The first one costs 70 bucks or so, and I have to wait for it for 2 weeks or whatever. And this one, I can get in any color. I can get it anytime I want, and I can do any print I want. I can do it on both sides, I can do it on one side, whatever I want to do. It's all up to me. And the heat press itself, the vinyl sheet, can be any color you wish. Now I'm gonna print 30 more of these and give it to my crew. Hope this video helps you guys. We'll see you on the next one.